Callie, what's going on with your toe? How many are there, Alex? How many?
2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay!
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 toes.
10 toes.
Oh, he jumped.
Where did it
Where'd
go?
it go?
It went bye-bye.
It's
No,
okay.
it's good.
Oh, honey.
I know you love your other toes. You went to heaven. It's waiting for you a long, long time from now. It'll be an old toe with a big beard and a receding hairline.
Like Daddy?
Or like Santa Claus, but yeah. I was thinking Santa Claus. Quit playing.
What?
Callie. Callie. What happened to your toe? Where'd it go? It's alright.